to welcome you all in AICTE Training and Learning Academy sponsored one-week faculty development program on smart manufacturing and engineer management in the era of Industry 4.0, Day-1, which is organized by the Mechanical Department. Today, we all are gathered here for the plenary session of Dr. V.G. Arajpure sir on the topic, the future of manufacturing in Industry 4.0. Before starting the session, I would like to invite R.K. Pahane sir to present samplings to Dr. V.G. Arajpure sir. Dr. V.G. Arajpure sir, Principal at Suryodaya College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur. Sir has pursued BE in Production Engineering at RTM Nagpur University, PGDIM Industrial Management at VNIT, MTech Design of Mechanical Equipment, IIT New Delhi, PhD in Mechanical Engineering, VNIT Nagpur. He has over 37 years of professional experience at Total Research. Sir has 63 publications, 3 patents granted and 7 patents published. He was awarded with Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Dalit Sahitya Academy Award. He has major contribution in academics as well as principal at SCET Nagpur, DBNOC Yavatna, KCE Engineering College, Jalgaon, and Godavari Engineering, Jalgaon, and HOD at BDCOE Sevagram. Sir has also university level representation. He worked as chairman of Production Engineering Board of Nagpur University from 2001 to 2005, member of Board of Study Production Engineering and member of Academic Council of RTM Nagpur University, chairman and member of Selection Committee at various engineering colleges, worked as chairman as well as committee member at LIC in all the 3 universities. Now, I would like to call upon Dr. V.G. Arajpure sir to start with the session.
So, good afternoon to everybody.
सर्वात संक्षिप्त परिचय सरांचा की सर माझे गुरु आहेत. सरांनी मला शिकवलं आहे. सर जे होते तेव्हा आम्ही स्टुडंट होतो, सर हेड होते तेव्हा आम्ही टीचर होतो, आता सर प्रिन्सिपल तुम्ही ते हेड.
Hello, okay. So, good afternoon to everybody. My colleagues and principal of Dr. Rajendra Kumar sir was my very student. And when I came for the interview in this particular college, there were some different things. Many times, 3 times probably I came as an expert in this particular organization, and my management had offered me a job in the incident. In fact, principal lecturer, लोकांचा assistant professor, associate professor चा इंटरव्ह्यू घ्यायला येत होतो, आणि मॅनेजमेंट मला इथेच या संस्थेमध्ये जेव्हा वापर करत होते. सरांचा इंटरव्ह्यू घेता येईल त्यावेळेस मी मला सांगतो की त्यावेळेस आमच्या डॉक्टर देशमुखला सुद्धा यूजीसी इंटरव्ह्यू होते, आणि सर इज माय वन ऑफ द स्कूल टीचर. मी मला त्यांना देण्यात इच्छुक नव्हतो, परंतु त्यांना सांगितलं तर तुम्ही यूजीसी करत असाल तर तुम्ही आज देतो मी तुम्हाला, नाही तर मी माझ्या कॉलेजला उद्या यूजीसी करतो आहे. So he have been interested in Nagpur etc. He had joined this organization. From nearly 20 years he is working in this organization. So good researcher. आणि त्यांचं आता पुस्तक प्रकाशित झालं, त्याच्यातली एक कविता माझ्यावर सुद्धा आहे. That particular thing आहे. So this particular thing which I like to have an interest in this area, automation is nothing but my area of interest. When I have been completed my MTech from IIT Delhi, there lab was there, CAD lab was there, and after completion of my MTech, I had applied for the AICT grant, and the first AICT grant of Maharashtra in CAD/CAM robotics laboratory have been received in 1996. I had purchased a robot from Germany, Robotech robot from Germany, and CNC machine from England, Nagpur. At that time, no any particular institute except IIT, COEP or other colleges do not have a CNC machine as well as a robot. So I was a pioneer, developed this particular laboratory of 1996, and that's what they want an exceptional laboratory, and that is my area of interest. So whatever the particular topics are to be there, automation, conventional manufacturing, CNC manufacturing, we are working on that particular, and I have an interest in that particular field. Probably everybody is aware regarding next. फटाफट तू दाखवत जा, तू तिथे बस. मला खूप स्लाइड आहे. बऱ्याच ऑल मेकॅनिकल इंजिनियर्स, ऑल इलेक्ट्रिकल, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, कॉम्प्युटर इंजिनियर, they are knowing many things about regarding that. Whatever the additional things are to be done, that I am going to tell you. Conventional manufacturing, that is the industry 1.0, that is before steam engine have been started. Then industry 2.0, that is when the electrification comes, DC motor, AC motors, not DC motor, AC motor. Conventional manufacturing start with the help of a electric power, and all machine, conventional machine, milling machine, grinding machine, drilling machine have been utilized the AC power. That is the second era of converting from the steam engine to the electric engines. And afterward the industry 3.0 is to be coming. That is the automation has been started. Semi-automation has been started. Conventional manufacturing is to be converted to the semi-automatic machines. Capstan turret length machines have been came in the market. And whatever the AC powers are to be there, that is to be replaced with the help of DC powers. DC motors, that is a basically you rather than stepper motors, servo motors have been came in the market. Utilization of that particular machines, and the computer has been entered in 1975 etc. in India, and the computerization interfacing that particular machine with that particular motor to the CNC with the help of a computer, and that particular machine retrofitting, basically called as retrofitting of a conventional machine, has been shifted to the what we call the numerical control manufacturing. And after numerical control manufacturing, the industry 4.0 after 2005 etc. came in the market. Whatever the conventional manufacturing which is to be there, numerical control manufacturing is to be there, that is to be shifted to the flexible manufacturing system. In the flexible manufacturing system, probably this is nothing but the core components which are to be there. That is nothing but human being is the most important component. Second is nothing but machinery operation is to be carried out. Then third is nothing but material processing operation. The material handling operation which is to be carried out with the help of a robot etc. And the inspection are to be there. So four basically components which are to be there. All this once a component is to be placed at one particular location, chassis is to be put at one particular location, and after completion of all operation means assembly of all operation, final product is to be coming. Tractor के chassis एक जगह में लगाया जाता है और पूरा tractor final one particular location पे आ जाता है. So all these particular things, what is called as with the help of a SAP and ERP softwares are each and everything is to be controlled. For that particular purpose, there is an integration of information. So that is nothing but industry 4.0. Conventional manufacturing shifted to the flexible manufacturing system. Each and every component is nothing but flexible manufacturing system, but basically the integration of information. So what is the integration of information? Whatever the different types of products, machines are to be there, at what speed machines to be rotating, whatever the quality characteristics to be required for that particular accuracy, tolerance is to be required for manufacturing that job. All these things are to optimize one, and integration of information means whatever the thing which I am telling you, you are physically present in the class, mentally present in the class, you are getting that particular thing, you have an interest in that particular thing which my eyes is telling to my controller. So this is basically a controller, and controller cost is very high. Conventional controller, this particular controller. So for example, I am telling you the detail regarding the development of this particular era. Hanuk and C-Numeric are the biggest manufacturers. Siemens का controller तुमने नाम सुना है, Hanuk का controller का नाम सुना है. These are the big players of manufacturing the controller in the world. We are not able to manufacture the controller in India so far now. So brain of that particular machine is to be superior. For example, the cost of CNC lathe machine is to be there 50 lakh rupees. उसमें से 40 लाख रुपए का controller की cost है. So controller is nothing but a very advanced thing, particular thing, which is controlling all the operations of a machine tool and getting the feedback. तुम्हारा feedback मिळायला पाहिजे. If you are not getting the feedback at that time, you are not able to control that machine in effective way. And for this particular purpose, when I am saying the computer integrated information system, manufacturing systems, each and every component are integrated with each other. Because for example, आपण आपल्या घरी भाजी बनवतो, तेल की एक पर्टिक्युलर लेवल गरम झाल्यानंतर आपण कांदा टाकतो, त्याच्यानंतर टमाटर टाकतो, लसूण तुम्हाला सिग्नल देतात कंट्रोलरला आणि ऑटोमॅटिकली त्या पर्टिक्युलर स्टेजपर्यंत गरम झाल्यानंतर शिजल्यानंतर आपण ते बंद करतो. So all these things are to be knowing to the controller, and controller is giving the instructions to all the different type of devices. Means this particular component is came here. After completion of this particular order, कितनी time लगती है job ला at this particular location. So at that time robot will become picking this particular job from a conveyor, putting over the machine के ऊपर लगाने के बाद machining operation होगा. After completion of that particular machining operation, this job is to move to the next location. तो कितने टाइम का लिए whatever Arduino etc. probably the electronic students are doing, teachers are doing regarding all these things and devices have to be interfaced with each other, and these particular devices which are integrating with each other, telling you the how much production is to be there. So in this way, how the tractor is to be manufacturing, truck is to be manufacturing. I have visited Yamazaki and Mazda machine tools in, and I have found that such a type of device means मेरे को एक रोबोट अंदर में गाड़ी में बिठा के लेके गया, पूरी कंपनी मेरे को दिखा के लेके आया. So no human being is to be there in that particular plant. So all such type of operations are to be carried out in one particular system that we call as a industry 4.0. Next, I am going to probably do most. आपल्याला वेळ कमी आहे आणि I am going so fastly. So automation, empowering virtually every walk of life. The word automation is derived from Greek word auto and motors, automation. Then automation therefore is the mechanism for system that moved by research. Industrial automation is necessary for manufacturing industry to survive in a competitive market. Competitive market मध्ये आपल्याला जर सर्वाइव्ह करायचं असेल, probably everybody is knowing that प्रगती मैदानमध्ये मुंबईला किंवा गोदरेजला एवढी बिग मॅन्युफॅक्चरर्स आर कमिंग आणि त्याच्यामध्ये कॉम्पिटिटिव्ह कॉस्ट असतात. आपल्या ॲग्रोव्हिजनमध्ये 100 म्हणजे मला वाटतं 10 ते 15 कंपन्यांनी ट्रॅक्टर बनवणाऱ्या कंपन्यांनी त्यांचे प्लांट्स लावले होते, स्टॉल्स लावले होते. They should be a competitive one. Whatever product which is to be there in the entering the market should be competitive. 3 फुटाचा ट्रॅक्टर त्यांनी लॉन्च केला. शेतकऱ्यांना त्याला किती कमी किमतीत देता येईल, मास प्रोडक्शन मध्ये त्याला दिला तर त्याला जास्त प्रॉफिट होईल. पण सुरुवातीला जो तुमचा कस्टमर आहे त्या कस्टमरला कमी किमतीमध्ये जास्त आउटपुट देणारा सिस्टम तुम्हाला डेव्हलप करावा लागेल. आणि हे जर त्याची क्वालिटी त्याला जर आवडली तर ऑटोमॅटिकली ही इज टेकिंग द मेनी ऑर्डर्स टू द अदर पीपल. So for this particular purpose, until cost is to be reduced, quality should be more, and meeting the requirement at the right time. That is nothing the objective. And for this particular purpose, industry 4.0 automation is important. Next, puढची slide. So automation basically increasing the productivity. Cost कमी झाली पाहिजे competitive market मध्ये, है ना? So save the time, increasing the quality and increasing the safety in working condition. TVS Motors, TVS are manufacturing the Jupiter vehicles. आणि Jupiter vehicle market मध्ये चांगला market मध्ये सर्वाइव्ह केलेला आहे. चांगली डिमांड आहे, क्वालिटी चांगली दिली आहे, डिस्प्ले जबरदस्त दिली आहे. तुम्हाला मेनी फीचर्स आर इनकॉर्पोरेटेड. पण तुम्हाला ज्यावेळी डिमांड आली का आपल्याला नागपूरला 10,000 दसऱ्याच्या दिवशी आपल्याला व्हेकल्स पाहिजे आहे. सो व्हॉट यू आर कन्सिडरिंग दिस पर्टिक्युलर डिमांड, दसऱ्याच्या दिवशी जर तुम्ही 10,000 प्रोव्हाइड केले तर तुम्हाला तेवढे कस्टमर मिळतील. सो फॉर दिस पर्टिक्युलर तुम्हाला कॉस्ट कमी पाहिजे, ॲव्हरेज चांगलं पाहिजे, प्रोडक्टिव्हिटी तुमची इन्क्रीज झाली पाहिजे. सो फॉर दिस इज नथिंग बट द बेसिक कन्सेप्ट ऑफ ऑटोमेशन. नेक्स्ट, सो दिस इंडस्ट्री 1.4 which I told you, the steam engine vehicle was there 2019 च्या पहिले दरात आहे. इलेक्ट्रिक and invention has been carried out. The biggest invention of this particular century is mass production assembly line. Robot came in the market for picking the component, placing the component, material handling component, material processing thing, etc. And now this is the smart factory. Automation, computer integrated manufacturing system where big data analytics, many data which are to be processed with the help of a what we call data analysis software. Internet of things. I had joined this particular college. My college, everybody is knowing that this is a very small college, but whatever the interest which was there, Internet of laboratory was there, product design development laboratory was there, which have been initiated at that time 2020, etc. I was in Pune University. I worked as a principal in 5 universities of Maharashtra. Due to Corona, etc., I came in this college, and they are knowing they required. त्यांनी बाहेर पुढे घेऊन विचारलं का मला चांगला प्रिन्सिपल पाहिजे, तर हा एक चांगला प्रिन्सिपल कोरोनामध्ये तुम्हाला मिळू शकतो. नागपूरला आला होतो. And I had joined that particular organization. But main important thing that matter, how this particular industry 4.0 all these things which I was learned in the Pune, in IIT and all other places, etc. Internet of Things, integrating the all information with the human being, all such type of components are to be, electronics components are there, displays are there, automatically the operations are to be carried out. Next. पुढचं तो फास्ट फिक्स्ड ऑटोमेशन, फिक्स्ड टाइप्स ऑफ ऑटोमेशन, फिक्स्ड ऑटोमेशन, प्रोग्रामेबल ऑटोमेशन, flexible automation, integrated. Fixed automation, conveyor belts. Conveyor belts are the fixed automations are there. Whatever the component which is become, same component is picked and located to other. It is a fixed. Cigarette manufacturing, fixed components are to be there. Bottle manufacturing, fixed systems are to be there. Next. Then programmable automation, all things are to be controlled with the help of a program. Interfacing devices are to be there. Make a program, program is to be converted and program is to be read and automatically machines are getting the electrical signal. Program is, whatever the programs are to be there, that particular programmable logic controllers are to be there, which are converting your program codes into the electrical signals and provided to that machine for working operation. So these are the programmable automation with CNC computerized numerical control. Automated process programmable dramatically increases production output, lower associated cost, improve the work environment, and removes human from performing respective hazardous tasks. So next, so flexible automation. Automation which should be flexible one. Whatever the program changes in the program, whatever the changes in the component, etc., that are to be taken into account. है ना, मान लीजिए तुमचा स्विफ्ट आहे, स्विफ्टची डिझाइन बनवायची, डिझाइनचं नवीन वर्जन बनवायचं आहे. So that particular program थोड़ा चेंज करून घ्या. So different operations will be carried out by that particular assembly operation and the things will be there. So industry that uses flexible automation include textile manufacturing, food processing and paint manufacturing. Next is integrated automation system. All these particular type of the devices which are to be controlled with the help of a